What's up, everyone? And today I'm gonna be doing the fastest fidget spinner. In case if you don't know what a fidget spinner is, it's like this toy that's supposed to make you not stressed out. So, like, you put your two fingers in the middle, and you make like a space for it to go through, and then you just like hit it, and see it goes like really fast. And whenever I use the hair dryer to make it go even faster, it will be really fast. So, let's start. So, here's the hair dryer. I'm gonna start to put it on low. So, I'm gonna go like low and then high. High is the highest, so let's get it spinning first. There we go. Very good. So it's actually really fast. Now let's see what it feels like. Ooh, it feels nice. And it's slowing down. And it's slowing down. So mine is actually glow in the dark, so I'm actually gonna turn the lights off and then put it glow in the dark. It's not gonna glow that much because it's not really that dark, so well, that was okay. Now let's put it all the way up to the highest it goes. Oh, wow. Let's see how long it can go. So the video's at 3 minutes right now. So let's see how long it can go from 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it lasted about like 17 seconds. Not 17 seconds. It lasted a long time. Alright. Okay, so now like I'm gonna do it like on the ground and see if it does the same thing. So let's go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video, and bye.